Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to stream on YouTube without 1,000 followers. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys an account that can go live. So I'll open up the YouTube app here. So this one is eligible as it does have more than 1,000 followers. So click the plus icon, go ahead and select go live, and you'll get this pop-up that you can go live and you can stream on YouTube. So all you need to do is get started. Now, what would happen if there's an account without this option? So here we have an account that can't go live. To demonstrate, I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus icon and go live. Now, as you can see, within the eligibility, it doesn't meet the requirements for mobile live streaming. However, there is a way to bypass this, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how. Alright, so firstly what you want to do is search up the Streamlabs app. Once you got that up, go ahead and download that very app. So it should have an icon to get. And go ahead and type in your password or put your fingerprint in for the ID. This will be the same as well for Android, so go ahead and download that. So it should be quick. And once it's downloaded, open up Streamlabs and then click next. Now it'll ask you what you'll be using Streamlabs for, so you got the option to click games. We're going to go ahead and click on stream your camera, so click next. Then you can select your layout, so you've got default or you've got the custom as well. We're just going to click default. Make sure you enable your camera and also enable your microphone. And if you want to, you can go ahead and enable notifications. We'll just say yes. Perfect, now we're here. Click OK. So click go live. And once you have clicked on the go live, you'll get the option for YouTube. Click login. Now it'll give you a sign in option. Go ahead and do that. And click allow. Now this is pretty much it. There is the YouTube. You've got your primary now loaded up. And if I click on go live, it'll then give me this option. So where do you want to broadcast to? Of course, YouTube. Then we have these events: active event, upcoming event, and create event. Click on the one you want. You've got your stream title that you can add there. You can have an active event, of course, if you have one, and then upcoming event. But there you go, folks. That is pretty much how to go live without 1,000 followers. So there you go. That pretty much reaches the end of the video. If you guys found this helpful, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.